Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Abdullah Mustafa from grade 4B. Today I am going to explain you what is an action verb. Action verb is verb that express physical or mental action. I am talking to you. Talking is an action verb. I am standing. Standing is an action verb. I am touching the leaf. Touching is an action verb. Now I will tell you some action verbs from my storybook. Here the boy is digging. Digging is an action verb. Here the phone falls from the boy's hand. Fall is an action verb. Here the boy shouted for help. Shouted is an action verb. Here the dog listened. Listen is an action verb. Here the dog run. Run is an action verb. Now we are eating. So eating is an action verb. Now I am playing with my brother. Playing is an action verb. Now we will find some action verbs from these sentences. First one is Mike is shooting the ball now. In here, shooting